Good morning, dear students. Today our topic is Khalji dynasty. Before that, we will discuss about that slave dynasty, Qutbuddin Aibak. What was the role of the Qutbuddin Aibak into the slave dynasty? Today our topic is Khilji dynasty. Khilji dynasty started from 1290 AD to 1320 AD. Means 1290 to 1320 AD, the time period between 1290 to 1320, known as Khalji dynasty. The Khalji dynasty was founded by Jalaluddin Khalji. Jalaluddin Khalji was the founder of Khalji dynasty. But in July 1296, Jalaluddin murdered by Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji was nephew of Jalaluddin Khilji. Jalaluddin Khilji was the founder of the Khilji dynasty. In July 1296, the time period is very important. In July 1296 AD, Jalaluddin, ambitious nephew of Jalaluddin Khilji, means Alauddin Khilji, murdered his uncle and crowned himself as the Sultan of Delhi Sultanate. Means Alauddin Khilji completed, especially in July 1296, declared himself as a Sultan of Khilji dynasty. Khilji ruler, especially Alauddin Khilji, follower of the Balban policies. Balban policies, blood and iron, you know very well, into the slave dynasty. Balban used the blood and iron policy. Just like same way, Alauddin Khilji wanted to establish a large empire, a large army. So number of armies, number of small kingdom controlled by Alauddin Khilji. So Alauddin Khilji, follower of the Balban policies. How I can say that? So Alauddin Khilji decided to curb the power of nobles and ulema. That time nobles and ulema, nobles, those who are rich persons into the society, and ulema, that time considered as the religious advisor. Many times the ulema interfere into the personal matter of the state. So Alauddin Khilji wanted to curb the power of nobles and ulema. वो क्या चाहता था कि नोबल्स जो हैं, जो जागीरदार हैं, जो बड़े बड़े लोग हैं, उनको और उलेमाओं के पावर को कम किया जाए. So he decided no need to interfere into the personal matter of the king, or you can say into the state. Means Alauddin Khilji wanted to hold the power in the hand of king. So head of the state, no doubt Sultan was the head of the state. So Alauddin Khilji wanted to curb the power of nobles and ulema. So he curbed the power of the noble and ulema, and also declared that no need to interfere into the personal matter of the state. Alauddin Khilji established a huge permanent standing army. The first ruler of the Khilji dynasty, you can say that the first person, the first Sultan into the Sultanate period, known as Alauddin Khilji, maintained a large army and standing army, means 24 hours work under the leadership of the Sultan into their empire. After that, Alauddin Khilji, also ambitious ruler, so he maintained a large army, maintained a large part of the state, and also introduced a market control policy. It is very famous in the Sultanate period. Market regulation, how to conduct the market policies and which type of price decided by the goods. So Alauddin Khilji introduced a market control policy. Through this policy, Alauddin controlled the market. So he fixed the price of commodities of daily uses. जो भी वस्तुएं सामान खरीदने डेली यूज की होती थी उसकी उसने प्राइस को फिक्स कर दिया। उससे ना तो कोई कम ले सकता है, ना ही कोई चीटिंग या कोई करप्शन कर सकता है। सो अलाउद्दीन खिलजी इंट्रोड्यूस द मार्केट कंट्रोल पॉलिसी। थ्रू दिस पॉलिसी Alauddin introduced three type of market. This type of market, three kinds of market adopted and developed by Alauddin Khilji. First, grain market. Those are known as मंडी। ग्रेन मार्केट जहाँ पर खाद्यान्न चीजें मिलती थी, खास करके खाने पीने की चीजें मिलती थी, नोन एज द ग्रेन मार्केट, मंडी। सेकेंड, क्लोथ मार्केट। क्लोथ मार्केट those are known as Sarai Adal. Sarai Adal, cloth market, second type of market. And third one, the market for horses, slaves and cattle, etc. There are three kinds of market. Grain market, those are known as Mandi. Cloth market, those are known as Sarai Adal. And third, the market for house, horses, slaves and cattle, etc. So this policy, those are known as the market control policy, was that time very famous, and Alauddin Khilji strictly banned to their army no one can involve into the corruption through the market. So he also introduced the मोहर सिस्टम इनटू देयर वेट एंड मेजर टूल्स। जो वेट और मेजर्स के टूल थे उसको भी उसने मोहर लगवाया ताकि उससे कम या बेसी या अधिक कोई घटतौली ना कर सके, कोई चोरी ना कर सके, करप्शन ना कर सके। सो दिस ऑल थिंग्स आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट इंट्रोडक्शन, इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स अबाउट द अलाउद्दीन खिलजी। ओनली study we already discuss about the Qutbuddin Aibak, but in the Qutbuddin Aibak we already discuss about which type of administrations controlled by the Alauddin Khilji. Today we already discuss about that Alauddin Khilji, the time period of Alauddin Khilji 1296 to 1316. Jalaluddin Khilji was the founder of Khilji dynasty, but after 6 years his nephew means Alauddin Khilji murdered his uncle. अपने अंकल की हत्या कर दिया था अलाउद्दीन खिलजी एंड डिक्लेयर्ड हिमसेल्फ एज सुल्तान ऑफ खिलजी डायनेस्टी। एंड फाइनली अलाउद्दीन खिलजी क्राउन हिमसेल्फ एज अ सुल्तान जुलाई 1296। इंट्रोड्यूस पॉलिसीज, सो मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ द पॉलिसीज, फॉलोअर ऑफ द बलबन पॉलिसीज, कर्ब द पावर ऑफ द नोबल्स एंड उलेमा, एंड आल्सो no need to interfere into the army, permanent settlement of the army, huge standing army work through the guideline of the Alauddin Khilji, and after that introduce the market regulation policies. Market regulation policies is very important. Through this policy Alauddin Khilji fixed the price of डेली कमोडिटीज, डेली यूजेस कमोडिटीज, जो भी खाने पीने की चीजें डेली की होती थी उसकी प्राइस को उसने फिक्स करा दिया। थ्री काइंड ऑफ मार्केट, विच वन? ग्रेन मार्केट, क्लोथ मार्केट एंड मार्केट ऑफ फॉर हॉर्सेस, स्लेव, दासों को खरीदना और बेचना, एंड कैटल एटसेट्रा। So this all things are the important information about the Alauddin Khilji. Okay. Second thing, this is also very important. Alauddin Khilji was the ambitious ruler, so he always controlled many, especially if you see the map of India, then we find about that, especially northern part, central part and part of Kinsen means eastern part of India. These all are under the leadership and controlled by the Alauddin Khilji. We know also about that Alauddin Khilji, especially just like we know that the slave, cattle and the horses, this type of implementation is done by the Alauddin Khilji, and he also maintained the huge and permanent standing army in their kingdom. Okay, so these all things are the important information about the Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji, after that we already discuss about that Tughlaq dynasty. Just after we already discuss about that Tughlaq dynasty. So please all of you make a short note about that Alauddin Khilji, because only the important features are given in your book, especially Alauddin Khilji. In your book, in Khilji's dynasty, only given for the one ruler Alauddin Khilji. Okay.